Briefing. Blockchain technology is reshaping the future of the internet. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is disrupting traditional internet models. AI tools can generate and summarize content, reducing the need for users to click through to content provider websites, thereby breaking the demand-supply balance established by search engines. At the same time, the proliferation of AI-generated false content undermines trust in the online world. Moreover, significant investments in AI by tech giants further enhance their influence, limiting the space for an open internet. Blockchain technology could be the key to addressing this challenge. It can ensure ownership of digital assets, enable self-management of identities, and provide tamper-proof digital fingerprints for original content. Additionally, blockchain can empower users with more choices and control, reshaping a more open, diverse, and community-driven internet ecosystem. The development of the blockchain gaming industry exemplifies this trend. An increasing number of participants come from gaming backgrounds rather than cryptocurrency fields, reflecting the industry's shift towards enhancing user experience. Features such as digital asset ownership and new revenue models are providing gamers with entirely new experiences. In the future, blockchain technology will drive transformation in the internet in several ways. 1. Achieving tamper-proof content and authenticity verification to curb the spread of false information. 2. Empowering users with control over their digital identities and assets, reshaping the ownership structure of the internet. 3. Providing users with more choices and innovations through decentralization, promoting the diversification of the internet ecosystem. 4. Establishing fairer and more transparent governance models in areas like esports to meet user demands. In summary, blockchain technology is becoming a crucial force in addressing the challenges posed by AI and reshaping the future of the internet. It will facilitate the transition of the internet from the information age to the value internet, offering users a safer, more autonomous, and vibrant digital life. Ethereum continues to lead the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is at a critical juncture, making a push towards the significant $4,000 mark. Despite skepticism regarding its current performance, Ethereum's resilience is undeniable. On-chain data shows an increase in active and new addresses, along with a decline in zero-balance addresses, reflecting the healthy development of the Ethereum ecosystem. Whether Ethereum can successfully break through the $4,000 barrier will determine its future trajectory. A breakthrough could reignite bullish sentiment in the market and drive prices to new highs. Failure to do so may lead to a consolidation phase, causing investors to adopt a wait-and-see approach. Regardless, Ethereum's performance will influence the direction of the entire cryptocurrency market. Additionally, several notable projects have emerged within the Ethereum ecosystem, such as Quantum Fusion, Tau.bot, and Trog, showcasing Ethereum's innovative vitality and application prospects. These projects have made breakthroughs in security, artificial intelligence, and community empowerment, garnering significant market interest. Meanwhile, the NFT market has also seen a strong rebound, with Ethereum NFT series becoming market leaders. Trading volumes for top NFT series like Pudgy Penguins and CryptoPunks have surged, reflecting ongoing investor enthusiasm for NFTs. Overall, Ethereum and its ecosystem are at a pivotal moment, with its performance likely to dictate the future direction of the cryptocurrency market. Investors should closely monitor Ethereum's developments to seize market opportunities. Bitcoin investors face tax risks and market volatility. December 17, 2024 Briefing. 1. Bitcoin investors face tax risks. Texas investor Algren was arrested for failing to report approximately $3.7 million in Bitcoin trading profits. This marks the first criminal tax evasion case related to cryptocurrency. Algren was sentenced to 2 years in prison and ordered to repay $1.1 million in back taxes. Authorities noted that he attempted to conceal fund flows using multiple wallets, cryptocurrency mixers, and cash transactions. 2. Bitcoin price trends. Bitcoin's price rose 2.3% in the past 24 hours, reaching $100,300. Trading volume decreased by 17% to $108 billion. Bitcoin is expected to surpass $200,000 by 2025, driven by clearer regulations, increased institutional investment, and technological advancements. Bitcoin's price trends show bullish signals, such as golden crosses and double-bottom patterns, but investors should be cautious as the RSI indicator may enter overbought territory. 3. Small investors continue to buy, while whales start to sell. The number of shrimp wallets holding less than 1 Bitcoin is expected to increase by nearly 9%, reflecting ongoing retail buying. However, long-term holders have sold 827,800 Bitcoins in the past 30 days, potentially signaling a price peak. Analysts believe that any future price declines may not be as severe as early December, as selling pressure has eased. In summary, the Bitcoin market currently faces tax risks and price volatility, requiring investors to act cautiously and stay informed about regulatory developments and market changes. Retail investors are continuing to buy, while larger holders are beginning to reduce their positions, indicating a divergence in investor sentiment. Solana Ecosystem Briefing, December 17, 2024. 1. Solana ecosystem continues to grow, developer activity leads the industry. The Solana blockchain is experiencing robust ecosystem development, with developer activity ranking among the highest in the industry, attracting significant investor interest. Analysts predict that during the current bull market cycle, Solana's price could surpass $1,500 to $2,500, with a long-term target of $4,000. 2. Zandium completes 6-week liquidity staking program, contributing to the Solana ecosystem. The Solana infrastructure project Zandium has completed a 6-week liquidity staking program, distributing 205 million ZAN tokens as rewards, attracting 68% of circulating supply to participate in staking, making it one of the most attractive staking options in the Solana ecosystem. 3. Liquidity staking in the Solana ecosystem gains attention. With the rise of liquidity staking protocols like Lido in the Ethereum ecosystem, liquidity staking in the Solana ecosystem is also gaining attention. Zandium's staking program has made significant contributions to the multi-billion-dollar liquidity staking sector within the Solana ecosystem. 4. Emerging tokens Beam, Ether, and Flockers attract attention. In addition to Solana itself, the article highlights several emerging tokens such as Beam, Ether, and Flockers, which showcase innovation in technology and community governance, attracting investor interest. Meanwhile, the stablecoin DAI is also favored as a safe haven asset. In summary, the Solana ecosystem is in a rapid development phase, with active development and user growth driving expectations for an increase in SOL prices. Additionally, emerging projects within the Solana ecosystem provide investors with more options. Overall, the Solana ecosystem is rapidly rising and warrants close attention. Bitcoin's past, present, and future, December 17, 2024, briefing. 1. Milestones in Bitcoin's history. On May 22, 2010, Florida software engineer Laszlo Hanyecz purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins, marking Bitcoin Pizza Day. One of the early investors, Frank Richard Algren III, was sentenced to 2 years in prison and fined $1.1 million for tax evasion, representing a significant judicial case for the cryptocurrency industry. 2. Current status and future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price surpassed $100,000 in 2024, fulfilling analysts' predictions. The assets of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) have exceeded those of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Emerging low market cap tokens such as GT Protocol, GTAI, Hedera, HBAR, Dogecoin, Doge, Pepe Unchained, $PEPU, and Conflux, CFX, have shown impressive performance. 3. Conclusion. Bitcoin has evolved from the initial pizza transaction to a multi-billion-dollar asset, witnessing the rise of the cryptocurrency market. Despite some early investor tax evasion cases, Bitcoin and its ecosystem are steadily developing and attracting increasing investor interest. Looking ahead, there is reason to believe that Bitcoin and its derivative tokens will continue to create new value. Vitalik Buterin's vision for the future of Web3 wallets. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin recently outlined his vision for the future of Web3 wallets in a blog post. He emphasized the need for improved security and privacy features, as well as simplifying transfers across Layer 2 networks. Buterin proposed integrating privacy features directly into all Web3 wallets rather than relying on dedicated privacy wallets. He suggested that wallets store a portion of user assets in a privacy pool as private balances for fund transfers, enhancing on-chain privacy. Additionally, Buterin recommended incorporating multi-signature authorization into all Web3 wallets to provide an extra layer of security. To simplify transfers across Layer 2 networks, he called on wallet developers to add functionality for directly sending tokens to other L2 network wallets and proposed a new address format that includes L2 network identifiers. Buterin's suggestions mark a significant step in the development of Web3 wallets, prioritizing security and usability in the development focus. As a leader in the Ethereum ecosystem, Buterin's vision sets new standards for the entire industry. Briefing content, December 17, 2024. Topic: Changpeng Zhao. Key information points *. 1. Amazon shareholders will decide at next year's annual meeting whether to include Bitcoin in the company's treasury reserves. However, Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao stated that accepting Bitcoin payments is simpler. 2. Zhao acknowledged that Bitcoin is not a perfect payment method but is still superior to traditional finance. He cited an example where he paid $17.08 with Bitcoin, which took 15 minutes for confirmation but required no contact with anyone to resolve. 3. The conservative think tank National Center for Public Policy Research submitted a shareholder proposal to Amazon, requesting the board to evaluate whether to include Bitcoin in the company's treasury reserves. However, Microsoft shareholders previously voted against a similar proposal. 4. Zhao stated that Bitcoin will transition from a speculative asset to a practical asset over the next decade. He anticipates that as more countries incorporate Bitcoin into their foreign exchange reserves, Bitcoin's price will rise, leading to new application scenarios. 5. Zhao did not provide specific predictions for Bitcoin's price increase over the next 15 years, but stated that there is no upper limit. His remarks triggered a significant surge in Bitcoin's price. 6. Additionally, Travala.com's cryptocurrency AVA surged 304% in the past 24 hours. Zhao mentioned that Binance invested in this project long before the pandemic and the cryptocurrency winter and has continued to hold. In summary, the article focuses on Changpeng Zhao's views on the future development of Bitcoin and his support for the Travala.com project, highlighting Zhao's significant influence in the cryptocurrency field. December 17, 2024 Briefing, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's criticism of SEC Commissioner Caroline A. Crenshaw. Key information points *. 1. Brian Armstrong criticized Caroline A. Crenshaw for her poor performance during her tenure at the SEC, opposing the Bitcoin ETF and being worse than Gensler. He urged the Senate Banking Committee to consider this when voting. 2. Crenshaw, a Democrat nominated by former President Trump, was unanimously confirmed by the Senate in 2020, and her term is set to expire this year. She previously opposed the SEC's approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. 3. The Senate Banking Committee will vote on Crenshaw's reappointment this Wednesday. The SEC's 5-member commission can have no more than 3 members from the same political party. 4. This incident reflects the tension between the cryptocurrency industry and regulatory agencies. The Stand with Crypto advocacy group, supported by Coinbase, will include this vote in its politician scorecards. Summary *. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong publicly criticized SEC Commissioner Caroline A. Crenshaw's performance, calling for the Senate to reject her reappointment. This highlights the conflict between the cryptocurrency industry and regulatory agencies, as well as the industry's keen interest in regulatory policy directions. December 17, 2024 Briefing, The Legendary Journey of A Charlie Brown Christmas. A Charlie Brown Christmas is a classic animated short film from 1965. Despite skepticism from CBS executives at the time, it ultimately became a critically acclaimed classic that has influenced generations of Christmas traditions. The creation of this special was quite tumultuous. Producer Lee Mendelson received a last-minute sponsorship invitation from Coca-Cola and quickly contacted cartoonist Charles Schulz and animator Bill Melendez to complete the script and animation in just a few months. The special's content is profound, reflecting the downsides of a commercialized Christmas while incorporating the biblical scene of angels announcing joy to the shepherds, which raised concerns among network executives. However, this decision was ultimately retained, adding a unique charm to the work. A Charlie Brown Christmas achieved massive success upon its initial broadcast due to its sincere sentiment and profound themes, continuing to resonate today as an indispensable Christmas classic. This work not only paved the way for the Peanuts comic series to achieve cross-media success, but also became a cultural treasure that transcends religion and ideology. Briefing content **. Gavin Wood, co-founder and CTO of Ethereum. Gavin Wood is a co-founder and chief technical officer of the Ethereum project. He is a co-designer of the Ethereum protocol and authored its formal specification. He created and wrote the first operational implementation of Ethereum. Wood designed and led the development of the Solidity language, served as the project lead for the IDE, and implemented the Whisper protocol. He has driven technological advancements in analytical tools and programming languages, and co-founded several tech startups. Polkadot Protocol, connecting public and private chains. Wood's new project is the Polkadot Protocol, aimed at connecting public and private blockchains to enable interoperability between them. This ambitious project allows enterprises wishing to work on private blockchains to seamlessly connect with public blockchains. Wood is the founder and current director of Parity Technologies Limited. Conclusion. Gavin Wood is a key figure in the Ethereum project, making significant contributions to the development of blockchain technology. His new project, Polkadot, aims to address interoperability issues between public and private chains, which is crucial for promoting the widespread application of blockchain technology in enterprise settings. December 17, 2024 Briefing, Joseph Lubin's Blockchain and Web3 Ventures. Joseph Lubin is a co-founder of Ethereum and the founder and CEO of the blockchain and Web3 software company Consensys. Based on multiple articles, we can summarize the following key information points. 1. Lubin's career spans multiple fields, including technology and finance, with expertise in electrical engineering, computer science, software engineering, finance, and cryptography. He has worked at institutions such as Princeton University and Goldman Sachs, accumulating extensive industry experience. 2. A recent survey report released by Consensys indicates that 2024 is a critical period for the development of cryptocurrencies. The outcome of the U.S. elections may bring further clarity on regulations, and with the global acceptance of decentralization and cryptocurrencies, Consensys aims to support and empower the next wave of users through education and innovation to address the world's most complex challenges. 3. The report also shows that cryptocurrency ownership and adoption rates are steadily increasing in emerging markets like Nigeria and India, with South Africa also emerging as a leader in the global cryptocurrency and Web3 space. Despite some obstacles, interest in decentralization and digital assets is growing in these countries, laying a solid foundation for future development. 4. Lubin stated that Consensys sees positive trends in cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3 every year. He believes that 2024 will be a milestone year for cryptocurrencies, with the industry ready to support and empower the next wave of users through education and innovation to tackle the world's most complex challenges. In summary, Joseph Lubin and his company Consensys have been actively promoting the development of blockchain and Web3 technologies and are optimistic about future prospects. With the global acceptance of decentralization and digital assets, Consensys will continue to play a vital role in supporting and empowering users, contributing to solving complex problems. Briefing content **. Wu Jihan is the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining hardware and mining pools. His company Bitmain, headquartered in Beijing, is valued at $12 billion following a recent round of financing. Wu has been a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash, a controversial fork of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, his company led a $110 million financing round for cryptocurrency startup Circle, which is the highest valued cryptocurrency company in the US. Wu expressed interest in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing AI chips. Andreas M. Antonopoulos briefing. December 17, 2024. This briefing focuses on renowned cryptocurrency expert Andreas M. Antonopoulos, highlighting his involvement in two related topics. 1. Axie Infinity game and its global impact. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game based on the Ethereum blockchain that has experienced explosive growth globally, particularly in the Philippines. The game allows players to buy, breed, trade, and battle non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies, enabling players to earn real income from gaming, with some even quitting their jobs to play full-time. During the pandemic, Axie Infinity became a source of livelihood for people in regions like the Philippines. However, the game's lending model has sparked ethical discussions about exporting low-wage jobs and geographic opportunity inequality. 2. MailChimp internal leak incident and cryptocurrency user protection. Additionally, Antonopoulos participated in a discussion about the MailChimp internal leak incident, which made cryptocurrency holders targets for attacks, prompting discussions on how to protect oneself from similar vulnerabilities. Antonopoulos proposed 3 simple rules to help cryptocurrency users mitigate such risks. In summary, this briefing comprehensively outlines 2 hot topics that Antonopoulos has recently engaged in, highlighting the most valuable information points while succinctly summarizing the full articles, providing readers with a thorough and in-depth understanding.